We were just having a debate that Baggy never eats apples. he just eats red meat, and then he wonders why he's got gout. That's his argument this morning. Good morning. Starts another week, another short week after another bank holiday. We've got about 3,000 of them this month. Just loading up here, full team in this morning actually. Got ESSC boys in there, Lloyd and Matthew. Just finishing bits in office, putting screen up for me. Lads are just loading up with tools here. Justin's already been for all the timber. It's actually my wife's auntie, just a little domestic job we're doing for her today. So that's something out really. Just get loaded up with post mix. So next time I see you, we'll be down at her house.
So good morning, we're just down in Greengates today. Got a little job to do, a little timber job to do. So these two concrete posts will be staying in since it's hanging the gates. Same with this one. Basically we're just getting a little fence going around there, 1.2 high feather edge. So all this will be coming out, we'll be cutting the posts out, taking them with us today, taking this timber, and then it's going basically from side of that house, coming down in front here, and then take gate, and then I'll be going right down to end.
Same with this side.
So won't take long, day job. I'm going to start cutting them out now.
No.
See, just that little bit and post to take out. Lads have already posted other side. It'll look nice once it's done. I'll probably stop by and get another video once I get back from Skipton. But yeah, looking good, cracking on, absolutely boiling. We're all in shorts today. Yeah, all that side's done. It's that post to dig there and that side, and good to go. Be done in an hour or so. It's looking nice, looking better than what we're in already. And that's this side here, and then just the other side to rail up, and then it's feather edge boards on. Won't take them too long to do that section. Oh yeah, Jamie will get a video at end.
Getting there with this office now. We're all coming together. Just look at screen, that's gone up for me now. I can see what's going on everywhere now.
Always watching.
Matt can't believe how many cameras and TVs I've got. But one can never have enough, Matthew. Look at that beauty. And then Justin's got his back up in there. Is his up and running now?
No, Lloyd just needs to put a cat pipe cable.
Oh, Lloyd's still messing about, yeah. Too busy growing his beard instead of doing work.
Chinny chin chin.
But Justin's got his screen back now, so when he's in here, he can see what's going on in the yard if anyone's coming or going. And he's putting some USB charging plug sockets in, which is good. And then I was going to get him a heater similar to what we've got in there, probably a wall mounted one. Might put it there actually on a timer. So yeah, it's all coming together. Some good customers of ours, a school trust that we do a lot of work for, has literally just accepted big order that I've quoted for them. So yeah, nice happy Tuesday after the bank holiday.
So good morning, nice bright and early. Just here with Mark, he's just there in the car. We're going to be changing this for Wibsey Primary School, so we're going to be taking down today, taking this away. We'll be working from the inside. It's all going up on crank post. Basically it's just going higher than it is now. It's going to be about 1 metre high off this wall, so all this here will be coming down all the way down to the end, and then it'll be getting exchanged for new crank posts, what are higher, and it'll take for some nice twin what we're putting on as well in black. So yeah, it's a pretty straightforward job this. Obviously the wall's not exactly perfectly straight, but you know, there's things we can do to obviously get that sorted. So yeah, we'll get this cracked on today, get it all ripped out, and off we pop on to the next job. Brought big ladders as well to get up there because it's just as tall at the other side.
The two ladder set up here. Going well. All plumb. Metre high crank posts. Afternoon, Wednesday. Wet afternoon, we're up in Wibsey. Just finishing off here, baggy look. Been working off back at Ban, which has been a bonus. Putting a little return here up at Wibsey Primary. Done a lot of work for these over the last couple of years. Speedy installation. Done well this one, looks really well. We're happy. All bolted up, all there the front, so added bonus. It's all running neatly. Took it up a metre. Took down some previous crank posts. They only had a little piece on top. They've had trouble with people getting over, so we've come and bobbed them this up. Looking really good, is that? It's coming down now as this rain, so put a little return in there. So when I get it back in banks, it's pissing it down. Hurry up, bag it. So we'll see you tomorrow. We're over at Beckfoot, Thornton again, doing some 2.4 V mesh. Just a minute, just let me get it back. Wow, it's been lovely earlier. Get these windows up. So yeah, we're over at Thornton, Beckfoot Thornton, one of their schools over at Bingley. We did a previous installation there a few months back. We're going over there, they've had some clearance work done, so through Woods it is, I think. Right, I'm bubbling on, so we'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ra.
Good morning. Loading up. He's got a job at pre-sort school at Bingley for Beckfoot Trust. And we're just having a debate that Baggy never eats apples. he just eats red meat, and then he wonders why he's got gout. That's his argument this morning.
Working too much.
Well, we know that's not true. Going over there, it's like it would. It's more awkward to get to than actually installing it. Yeah, things just getting fittings on for it now. Yeah, just half a pallet on, put posts on and then whip these straight on top on bearers and we're ready to go. The next time we see you, we'll be down there at Beckfoot. Howdy, me again. Sorry, I know in my last clip I said next time you see me I'll be down at Beckfoot up Bingley, but as it happens things change and I had a delivery coming. Just rung me to say they were on the way, so I couldn't take lads this morning actually, but they know what they're doing anyway, and the site manager met them there, they've been before, so they knew the site quite well anyway, so it worked out quite well for us. So yeah, and just whilst I'm on actually, I just want to say a big fat happy birthday to my beautiful wife Anne. Happy birthday, love. It's of course her birthday today. We are actually roughly the same age, went to school together, childhood sweethearts and all that. So yeah, happy birthday, and I'll see you later. I just want to touch on something else whilst I'm on actually, just like suppliers. Not all suppliers, some are brilliant. We've been using a certain supplier which I won't mention for a while, and just seems every time we order something to get something wrong, blah blah blah, and enough's enough. And we've been to collect some off their place today and gets there, it's just all wrong. So I'm afraid we're going to be ditching them and going with the more reputable, reliable suppliers that we use anyway. It's just sometimes these guys can get it pretty quick and blah blah blah, but no more, it's just not worth the hassle. So that's them gone, I'm afraid.
You're fired.
Good morning. Friday again already. We're loving these short weeks lately. I think we're getting used to these 4-day weeks, aren't we, Jamie? Yeah. We just got Jamie up there, look. Just doing a bit more repairs on this roof, it's dodgy up there, bloody. We've got an old corrugated one on that it's sort of coming through. It seems to be holding water for some reason. So we're just building a frame.
What's the gap between them? Because it won't be a full rail,
we're all set up here. But we bought these I think it was last week before actually, from Airedale, so we're going to put some metal sheets that we put on there. We've never had a problem with that one. So we're just going to do the same there, just building a bit of a frame for them to sit on so we can screw them to them, and then we'll just put a bit of fascia and stuff outside then. The sound. And Justin's over here getting his finally putting posts on shelves that I've been asking him to do for about 4 weeks now. Happy chap. Are you winning, Justin? It's a flipping nightmare. So yeah, we're just getting them all up there. Just try and keep the stock rotating. Most of these are actually, see, we put job numbers on. Most of them are jobs. They're all jobs. They're jobs. That's a job. A lot of them are actually jobs that we've got booked in. Palisade's a job. I think that goes with that Palisade. Oh, there actually. That goes with that. This black one's a job. So a lot of these here are actually for jobs. These are a job we've got coming up actually. And I think there's 3 gates in total for that one. And then we've got a few stop gates that we keep there just like singles. So if we're ever doing which we tend to find, we're doing a run of fencing, then client decides, oh, I could have done with a gate in there. So we always try and keep 2 or 3 in stock just so we can do it as we're there, so we're not waiting on gates. I'm just going to finish it off with trim. And there. Nearly done. Just put a bit of trimmed outside. It's got to be better than it was. So yeah, it's nearly done. Friday afternoon now. and sign out there. Not much there, like I say, about another hour will be done. So yeah, another week done and dusted. We'll catch you later. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. See ya.